So today I'm gonna try this life hack, dent removal from the bumper. I got a dent on the bumper that was hit on something. Somebody was backing up and hit my my bumper right there. So I'm gonna try to fix it using a hot water. I've seen many people saying this can work, but I've never tried. I'm gonna try it on my car, see whether I'm gonna save some $950 that I probably might spend on our body shop there. Save some money if this trick work. My name is Jeff Carbuoy. Welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, kindly hit that subscribe button. And the trick seems to be working here. One of the things I did off the camera is remove some of the fasteners so I have the access to put my hand inside there. And as you can see, the dent is coming out, not 100%, but at least 85% of it is popping out. Even though if I touch when it's still hot, tends to dent back in, but I believe when it get cold it's gonna stay. Still some small areas there, but I was trying to push it out, but it didn't come out. But at least it look much better than before. So these are some of the fasteners that I had removed. Let me know what you think, or if you have any other better idea on the comment section. Now let me show you. So there is another fastener on the bottom, at least two fasteners on the bottom, and one on the side. And now let me show you the full view on the how it came out. It look way much better with after working it out with the hot water. So the trick works. Not 100%, but with that I can take that done with the dent and save the money. Just hot water. Again, my name is Jeff Carbuoy. Stay tuned and subscribe if you haven't. See you on the next one.